come down here to have a look what's been going off down via Derbyshire, which is the A5012. It takes you from Crumford up to New Haven. This road has been shut for weeks. Now let's see what they've been doing. What's that post there, look? Chopped all these trees down. And all these posts have appeared, look, with cameras on top. It's lovely now they've opened it up and taken this timber back. Let the sunlight in. The roads won't be so greasy and treacherous. But you've now got average speed cameras and you're restricted to 50 miles an hour. So any motorcyclists coming into the Peak District, just beware. You've got to keep one eye on that speedo from now on. Won't face the consequences. And just as a tagline to that, this gorilla is very accurate. Most speedometers are about 4 or 5 mile an hour out, but when that says, like it does now, 46, 47, that is how fast I am going. Yes, it's very accurate. Go past those static signs that acknowledge your speed, and it's exactly what it says on my speedometer. On previous bikes it's always been 3 or 4, 5 mile out. Not anymore. Got to be careful with this bike, so just be careful, everybody out there. But enjoy the Derbyshire and what they've done. It's beautiful now they've opened it up. Let a lot of sunlight in. Wow, look at Toofer Cottage. Hey, it's made it better for him. Wow, it has opened it up. Yeah. Wow, what a difference it's made.